Have you ever wondered if some website you click on might be malicious? A malicious website is one that is designed to harm visitors by stealing data or downloading malware. Although search engines flag and may even remove websites that don't conform to their policies, it's a good idea to be careful yourself when visiting websites. Some websites are designed to be malicious. There are hundreds of thousands of fake websites on the internet set up by scammers to trap visitors. If you order a product on one of these websites, you may get a download of malware, a substandard or counterfeit product, or nothing at all. Supposed local news sites may offer sensational, misleading, or outright false news stories in order to influence public opinion for financial gain or political advantage. Other fake websites are made to look exactly like well-known or trusted sites like PayPal, Amazon, or your bank. They have addresses or URLs designed to deceive and login pages identical to the real login page. Their goal is to steal your login credentials, financial information, or other personal details. Anybody can register a domain name, which is part of the website address or URL, with anything in it, as long as it's not already taken. However, if the domain name includes a trademarked company name, the company may take legal action if the intent appears to be deceptive. But be aware that sites including the names of well-known companies, like Microsoft or Skype, may not actually be connected to these companies. Slight misspellings like netflix.com instead of netflix.com, use of the Cyrillic alphabet, whose letters are subtly different from Latin letters, substitution of letters and numbers like RN for M or 1 for L, and different extensions like .co instead of .com are also used. But legitimate websites can also become vectors for installing malware on a visitor's device. Scammers display ads which contain malicious code, which is downloaded when a visitor clicks on the ad. They can also infect legitimate websites by writing code into the site anywhere that user input is allowed. Then the next time the website is visited, the code is executed. Known as a drive-by download, your device can become infected without clicking on anything. The malicious code works by looking for security flaws in your device's software and exploiting them. Chrome, Safari, and Firefox web browsers all warn users about potentially harmful or deceptive websites. Google flags around 9,500 new malicious websites daily. Here are some additional steps you can take to avoid malicious websites. Before visiting a website, check the address or URL in the search results or in the top bar of your screen. Only visit secure sites with HTTPS URLs, the S stands for secure, and look carefully for the frequently used scammer name tricks, which we mentioned previously. Search on the internet for complaints about the site. Sites offering free software, videos, or music, adult content sites, or personal blog sites with poor security are more likely to contain malware. Avoid clicking on ads in websites. Keep your operating system and web browser up to date to avoid security flaws that can be exploited by a malicious website. You can also go to Google Transparency Report and click on Safe Browsing Report to check on problems with the website before visiting it. If Google Chrome is your web browser, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Safe Browsing to set your preferred safe browsing level. Watch our other videos listed in the description below for more on how to protect yourself online.